The green car left the car park. The blue man left the circle. The students left university. The man left the house with his suitcase. The woman left her house to go to the train station. The airplane left the airport. The woman kissed, said goodbye and left her friends. The soldier left his family behind to go and fight for his country. The athlete left the starting blocks. The woman left the supermarket and put all her shopping in the boot. The passengers or commuters left the train. The train left the tunnel. The children left the primary school. The space rocket left planet Earth. The boat left the port. The people in the bistro left a tip for the waiter. The wife took her child and left her husband. The couple left their house to go on vacation. The office workers left the office to go for lunch. The woman in the red dress left her high-heeled shoes behind. They were too uncomfortable to wear. The woman packed up everything into her box and left her job with a big smile on her face. The boats left the harbour. The man left behind dirty footprints on the carpet. The ambulance left the scene of the accident. The woman left the house to go to work. The fire engine left the fire station. The children left their mother to go to school. The children left the school at the end of the day. The woman left her car to go and get some petrol. The boyfriend left his girlfriend. They broke up with each other. The businesswoman left the airplane. The couple left the supermarket. The young man left the lift. The bus left the bus station. The woman left the train without a face mask. The woman left the wedding ring in the man's hand. She didn't want to be with him anymore. The train left the train station. The airplane left the big city behind. The horses left the starting gates.